everyone. Welcome to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode 72. My name is Lily.
Hi friends, I'm Ben. Today our topic is very interesting, Millennials versus Gen Z. We will talk about the differences between these two generations. Are you a millennial? Or maybe you are Gen Z? Or perhaps your children, your students, your friends? Let's find out together in easy, slow English.
Yes, Ben, this topic is perfect for beginners. We use simple words, short sentences. If you don't understand something, don't worry. We will explain everything slowly and repeat important words. Ready? Let's start.
Great. First question for our listeners. What years are millennials born in?
Good question, Ben. Millennials are people born between 1981 and 1996. So now, in 2025, 2026, millennials are about 29 to 44 years old. Repeat after me, please. Millennials, born 1981 to 1996.
Nice. And Gen Z?
Gen Z are people born from 1997 to about 2012. So now they are from 13 to 28 years old. Say it with me. Gen Z, born 1997 to 2012.
Perfect pronunciation. Now let's talk about technology. This is a very big difference.
Yes, millennials grew up when the internet was new. We remember the time before smartphones. We had big computers at home. The internet was slow. Do you remember the sound? Beep, boop, krr. That was dial-up internet.
Yes. Many Gen Z listeners are thinking, what? Dial-up? What is that? Dial-up is old internet. It used the telephone line. You couldn't use the phone and internet at the same time.
Exactly. Millennials had floppy disks to save information. Small square things, very small memory, only 1.44 megabytes.
1.44 megabytes. Now, phones have 128 gigabytes or more. Gen Z, you never saw floppy disks, right?
Probably not. Gen Z was born with smartphones in their hands, almost. You grew up with fast Wi-Fi, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Everything is fast and colorful.
True. Let's practice some words. Repeat after Lily. Smartphone, Wi-Fi, TikTok, Instagram.
Smartphone, Wi-Fi, TikTok, Instagram. Good job, everyone.
Now, social media. Where do millennials spend time?
We like Facebook. We post long texts, photos from holidays, baby pictures. We write full sentences.
And Gen Z?
Gen Z loves TikTok and Instagram Reels. Short videos, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, very fast, and lots of emojis. Instead of writing, I am happy, they just put smiley face, thumbs up.
Yes, abbreviations too. LOL, laugh out loud. BRB, be right back. IDK, I don't know. OMG, oh my god. Gen Z uses them all the time.
Millennials also use LOL and OMG, but less. We write more words. Let's practice. I am tired. BRB. Say it.
I am tired. BRB. Excellent.
Another difference, work and money.
Millennials want stable jobs, good salary, health insurance, vacation days. Many of us dream about buying a house.
Yes, we worked hard after university. Sometimes we have student loans. That means we borrowed money to study and now we pay it back every month.
Gen Z thinks differently about work. You want flexibility. Work from home, freelance, own small business, be a content creator.
Content creator, person who makes videos, photos, posts for money. Many Gen Z want to be influencers.
Influencer, cool word. Repeat influencer, freelance, work from home.
Influencer, freelance, work from home. Very good.
Gen Z also talks a lot about mental health. I need a break. I feel stressed. I go to therapy. Millennials started talking about it, but Gen Z speaks louder.
True. Both generations care about mental health now. That's positive. Say with me, mental health is important.
Mental health is important. Everyone together, great.
Next, food. What do millennials eat?
Avocado toast. It's a famous joke. Millennials love avocado, coffee with oat milk, sushi, poke bowls.
Yes, and we go to nice cafes, we take photos of our food, food porn, funny name.
Gen Z also loves food, but different. Viral food from TikTok. Dalgona coffee, cloud bread, feta pasta, baked feta with tomatoes.
And matcha everything. Matcha latte, matcha cake, matcha ice cream.
Gen Z tries new recipes at home from videos. Millennials more often eat outside or order delivery.
Delivery apps, Uber Eats, Glovo, Wolt, both generations use them now.
True. Now, fashion.
Millennials like skinny jeans, Nike sneakers, hoodies, big sunglasses.
Gen Z loves baggy clothes, baggy jeans, oversized t-shirts, crop tops, platform shoes. And Y2K style is back. Shiny things, low-rise jeans.
Also, colorful hair, piercings, tattoos. Gen Z experiments more with style.
Yes, millennials were more careful with tattoos. Now everyone has them.
Music.
Millennials grew up with Britney Spears, Backstreet Boys, Eminem, Linkin Park, Beyoncé early songs.
We had MP3 players, iPod. We downloaded songs from the internet.
Gen Z listens to Spotify playlists, Billie Eilish, Olivia Rodrigo, The Weeknd, K-pop groups like BTS, Blackpink.
And TikTok songs. Songs become popular because of dances on TikTok.
Yes, repeat after me. Playlist, Spotify, K-pop.
Playlist, Spotify, K-pop. Wonderful.
Now travel.
Millennials love to travel. We did backpacking in Europe, went to Thailand, saved money for big trips.
Gen Z does eco-travel, sustainable travel. Less flying, more trains. Also, solo travel is popular.
And staycation, vacation at home or near home.
Staycation, nice word.
Entertainment.
Millennials watched Friends, The Office, Harry Potter movies in the cinema.
We waited for new seasons on TV.
Gen Z binge watches Netflix, Disney+, HBO. One day, whole season.
Binge watch. Repeat, binge watch Netflix.
I binge watch Netflix. Perfect.
School and studying.
Millennials had real books, notebooks, chalkboard in class.
Teachers wrote with chalk, dust everywhere.
Gen Z had iPads in school, Google Classroom, online homework.
During COVID, both studied online, Zoom classes.
Zoom fatigue, very tired from Zoom.
Yes. Now let's talk about memes.
Memes. Millennials love old memes. Success kid, distracted boyfriend, grumpy cat.
Gen Z makes new memes every day. Dark humor, ironic memes, brain rot memes.
Brain rot, funny word for too much internet.
Both laugh at memes. Memes help learn English too.
True. Dating.
Millennials met at parties, at university, through friends, sometimes online, but early Tinder.
Gen Z mostly uses apps, Tinder, Bumble, Hinge. Swipe left, swipe right.
Ghosting, disappear after date. Both hate it.
Yes, now environment.
Both care about the planet. Millennials started recycling, buying reusable bags.
Gen Z protests more. Fridays for future, vegan diet, no plastic. Good job, Gen Z.
Similarities. Let's finish with good things both generations have.
Both love technology.
Both love music and movies.
Both care about friends and family.
Both want to be happy.
Both learn English with us.
Yes, beautiful. Now, small review.
Millennials, born 1981 to 1996. Dial-up internet, Facebook, full sentences, avocado toast, skinny jeans, stable jobs, Harry Potter.
Gen Z, born 1997 to 2012. Smartphones from childhood, TikTok, short videos, emojis, baggy clothes, mental health, viral food, Billie Eilish, flexible work.
But remember, not every person is the same. These are general ideas.
Yes, people are different, and that's wonderful.
Thank you so much for listening to episode 72.
We hope you learned new words and enjoyed the conversation.
Practice this week. Ask your friend or family, are you a millennial or Gen Z? What do you like?
Speak English every day, even a little. You are doing great.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye, friends. Keep smiling and keep learning.